Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how can we pin the Google Chat message on our iPhone. So first thing we have to do is open the Google Chat application. If you cannot find the Google Chat application on your home screen, you just need to slide the screen into the left side until you found a app library, and you just need to type on the search button a Google Chat. Okay, and the symbol will be a bubbles with the green colors, and you just need to click it. And then this is the looks when you open the Google Chat. So how to pin a message on a Google Chat? You just need to decide which chat that you want to pin into your Google Chat application. For example, I want to pin this second rows of the chat here. So you just need to click and hold the chat that you want to pin. Click and hold, and then after that you will be activated several features. Down here you just need to go click pin, and now this chat is already pinned into your Google Chat application. So whenever there will be a lot of messages come, this chat will be stay in the first row of your Google Chat. That's all the way how to pin a message on a Google Chat. So if you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.